A retailer in Finland has leaked not only the color options but also the storage configurations and case accessories for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 series. The standard S25 will be offered in 128 GB and 256 GB storage, while the S25 Plus will come in 256 GB and 512 GB options. The S25 Ultra, the top-tier model, will be available in 256 GB, 512 GB, and even a generous 1 TB. It's anticipated that the larger models may feature 16 GB of RAM. While the Ultra is rumored to sport a premium titanium frame, the S25 and S25 Plus are likely to retain the durable armor aluminum design. In terms of accessories, a magnet case will be available for all three models, offering a transparent design. Also notice the kind suitcases. These are new to the S series, previously seen on Samsung's foldable devices. As for pricing, the Galaxy S25 lineup is expected to maintain the same price points as their respective S24 counterparts.